Welcome back to Sunrise Studios. My name's Mel, and I'm responsible for training our consultants on our methodology. Large biz app implementations are known for failure. Sunrise, on the other hand, is known for success. The reason is simple. An implementation methodology only works if everybody adheres to it and knows their part. Every ERP implementation starts with a project plan, but not everybody knows how to interpret it. The result is a project that might quickly deviate from that plan. Consider a simple hiking analogy. Stepping off the path can waste tons of time and actually have dangerous consequences. Sunrise first made this very hike back in 1994 and knows the path well. We consider our methodology the ultimate guidebook to successfully ascending the mountain. Sunrise's core competency is executing complicated ERP projects, or getting you up that mountain. We recognize that core competency might not be shared by everyone on the customer team. So, a key facet of our implementation methodology is education. Sunrise teaches everyone on the customer team about their project roles and how they best help contribute to its success. We don't let anyone stray from the path, which is also not a one-time effort. Continually reorienting the project team to the mile markers is the only way to create buy-in and adoption. It's also the only way to get different personas to traverse the mountain together. The Sunrise methodology is about always finding the path forward. You can only do that when you know where you are at every step of the journey.